Hey everybody, I'm the Crafty creator and today we're stepping into a world of pure imagination. We've got 5 golden tickets, a whole lot of chocolate and yes, a card inspired by none other than Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. This project was a real sugar rush of ideas, starting with stenciling, a swirl of heat embossing and of course sneaking those iconic golden tickets into the design. Augustus Gloop would be proud. But before we start swimming in chocolate rivers, don't forget to get clicky for Vicki. Like, subscribe and ring that notification bell. It's the golden ticket to more crafty fun. To make this candy coated creation, I used a whole sweet shop of supplies. Lawn fawn coaster critters, tiny friends, small the merrier, bicycle built for you, and wheelie great day. Add to that a swirly spiral stencil from Miss Ink Stamps, Oompa Loompa approved, lawn fawn ticket border die, and some gold metallic cardstock because obviously we need that glimmer of gold. Now, I'll admit I originally had the colour scheme from the newest Wonka movie in mind, but then I remembered I needed to add golden tickets. So yes, some colours evolved during the process. Some characters changed outfits, like my tiny friend with the skirt, because her hair was perfect for my Wonka-inspired character. I stamped the images on Nina cardstock with Memento ink, swatched my Copics, and you'll see the caps and combos on the screen. Chocolate tones, candy brights, and a dash of purple Wonka flair. I fussy cut all of the images off camera and then added our tiny ticket seller, aka my version of Wonka, to the booth using liquid glue because we needed someone to hand out golden tickets. Don't mind me, just adding a little bit more purple in where I needed it to be. At this point I knew the card needed more purple, so I grabbed some lawn fawn textured cardstock and my swirl stencil to give it that factory floor candy vortex vibe. For stenciling, I bring out my stencil buddy, aka my clipboard with the waffle flower sticky mat, still one of my fave crafty tools. I used picket fence ink pouncers and Distress Oxide wilted violet to pounce that colour on like I was decorating a giant gumdrop. The reveal moment never gets old. It's like unwrapping a chocolate bar and finding no wrapper stuck to it. Pure joy. Now here comes the best bit, the golden tickets. I die cut the long-form ticket border from gold metallic cardstock and carefully trimmed along the perforated lines. 5 tickets, just like in the movie. But here's where I had my aha moment. What if I made it look like the tickets were hidden in the chocolate bar? You know, like in the film when they peel the wrapper and bam, golden glory. So I cut the purple stencil panel with the outside-in stitched rectangle die and paired it with some delicious brown chocolate cardstock, sized to A2. I slipped each ticket between the panels like they were hiding in the wrapper, added a little glue to hold them in, and then sealed it all together. Now, let's talk heat embossing, because this card needed a sentiment that shimmers. I prepped everything off screen, but here's the fun part, heat setting. I use another clipboard here to save my fingers from becoming toasted marshmallows. Once the sentiment was set, I popped up the ticket booth up on foam pads for dimension and trimmed any gold edges peeking out, because this isn't Wonka vision, we want it crisp. For a final flourish, I added some gold sequins off camera, because what's a chocolate factory without a little sparkle? Oh, and I add a swirly W on the booth, just to make it official. Here's the finished card again, my Wonka Wonderland on paper. Honestly, I didn't start with a plan, but that's the magic of crafting. Sometimes you just follow the chocolate trail and end up somewhere sweet. This project was inspired by Craft Roulette episode 261. Here are the parameters: an A2 card, teacup ride colours, JD aka chocolate as the theme, and of course 5 golden tickets. If you've never checked out Craft Roulette, it's like a crafting game show wrapped in a candy wrapper. Go take a look, it's as addictive as fizzy lifting drinks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a sugar rush of inspiration. Don't forget to get clicky for Vicki. Like, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future crafty adventures. Until next time, keep crafting, keep smiling, and always carry a chocolate bar, because you never know when a golden ticket might show up. Ta-ta for now.